How to download YouTube playlist. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Start by opening up any of your preferred web application and type in youtube.com. Now first of all, select a video which contains a playlist. In my case, I'll be using this video. Now in order to download the entire playlist, you have to have a YouTube Premium account. Now in order to download the entire playlist, click on the three-dot icon and click on download. Here you can either select high or standard quality. Once done, click on try it for free. Here you will be charged this amount in monthly basis. Click on add credit or debit card and click on to buy. Just like so, enter all your card detail and click on save card. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.